So today I was thinking about trying a new curling iron and maybe doing a little bit of a review on it. I hardly ever use heat on my hair. Like, I will straighten it every once in a while. I'll maybe curl it every once in a while. I hardly ever blow dry it. And so I hardly use heat on my hair, and that's kind of how I've been able to get it so long. I actually just cut about 5 inches off of it not too long ago, maybe about a month ago. So it actually really was longer than this before. I mean, it's a very, very long. Let's see. It's really long. But yeah, so I don't really use heat on it a whole lot. But I thought it might be fun to try this out and see if I can actually get a curl to hold on it. I've never used one like this before where like the whole barrel spins. Oh, maybe it doesn't spin. It said that it did. World's best selling curling iron. Here's the package. Oh, so it's just the cord that swivels. I thought this whole thing moved. Well, there we go. I have used a curling iron like this before, but usually I do use the clipless ones. I haven't used one of these for forever. So we'll see how it works and how fast it heats up. It is a nice long cord, I do like that. And that the cord swivels so you're not, wrapping it up. So that's kind of nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it to, I don't know, it goes from 280 all the way up to 450. I think I'll put it at like 390. Like, I don't want to make it be super, super hot. I don't know. We'll see. And while we wait, I don't know how much of this I'm supposed to put in. Like I said, I usually don't use heat on my hair. When I do, I don't use heat protectant. I should, but I do it so few and far between that I've never really worried about it. I feel like I don't want my hair saturated because that would just be bad too, right? I don't know. Let's do that. When I went and got my hair cut and I cut those 5 inches off, it was at a Smart Style, just like at Walmart where it's inside the Walmart. And she's the lady that we've been taking our kids to for years, and every now and then when I do get my trims, she does it. And when I was sitting in the chair, she had the chair all the way up, and she was just like doing this number, trying to cut it. And everyone that was walking by was just like staring and walking, and it was the funniest thing. It's been a long time. I usually don't use ones this big either, so. Hey, that looks good. Okay. Okay, cool. I feel like it's sitting on my hair too long. It like freaks me out. Oh, see, and then it's so long. Yeah, that's freaking me out how long it's been on there. I don't like doing it like that. Okay, I'm gonna try that again. Curlin', curlin', curlin'. Like I said, I usually don't use this big of a curling iron either. I usually go smaller because my hair just does not like to hold a curl, like at all. And so the tighter the curls, the longer they stay. At least that's how it is for me. It's a pretty good curl. like it. Let me just see kind of how fast I can curl it. Like I said, I usually use a clipless curler, and I don't do it very often. And the curls are a lot smaller, so I never really get that like blowout look. Oh look, that one looks so good. That one looks pretty good. But I don't know, it's been really hard for me to achieve that like blowout look with such long hair. So I'm just kind of on this journey of trying new things with it, and I've been trying a lot of heatless ones. Literally one of them, the second I took it out, the curls fell. And the other one, the curls lasted about 2 hours and they were pretty good, and maybe I should get a stronger hairspray, a stronger strength hairspray. I don't know, that is cute. It's a cute little waves. Ouch. See, this is the problem with my hair. It is so freaking long that I have to curl it onto itself like double time. And I'm worried it's gonna like fry my ends. Pretty cute though. I mean, I'm not gonna lie. One of the main reasons I wanted to get it was because it was pink. See, they're already falling. Like, I haven't even got to finish curling this half of my head and they're already falling. Maybe I should turn it up. I think maybe I'll do the other half of my head with my normal one that I use and kind of show you the difference. I'm also kind of new to these bangs. I had bangs literally for forever, for years and years and years. But I got rid of them and I haven't had them in a long time. And I had regular bangs like this and I had swoop bangs. Because yay millennials. That's cute. So learning to style these bangs is a little bit different. I used to just take a hair straightener and poof them a little bit and you know, that was that. Swoop them off to the side. Swoop bangs. I mean, it wasn't until, geez, last year, maybe a year and a half ago that I started wearing my hair down the middle again. It was side parted so much that it took forever to retrain my hair to not stick up more on one side. Which way should I go? Should I go in or up? Let's go up. And now that my hair is so long, I get like no volume. It is really, really hard to get volume out of my hair. Woo! Hello. I don't know if I like the little flip at the end. Yeah, I don't know if I like that. I might have to do something different. Let me get my other curling iron out. This one I've literally had since high school. It's been like my tried and true, a Remington, and it's pink and black. It used to come with a little glove, and it's what I've always used. And this one goes up to 410, and I always just make it go to 410. Oh, see, they're already almost dropped. How sad is that? Should I try to get one of those like Velcro curlers in right? I remember when I was a little girl using these Velcro curlers. Oh my gosh, it was terrible. It was horrible. Here, should we do that? My mom and I did these once. They were literally these exact same things in gold, and we could never get them to work. I think it's because we always have our hair way too wet. And so it just never dried. I always do it when I do curl my hair. I don't know, I just kind of like the clipless ones. Heats up really fast, and then watch this. Like, I could cool it in my hair, but look at how good that curl is. Like, come on. Am I doing something wrong with this one? This curl is so pretty. It's so pretty. This is probably too big of a piece, but I'm gonna go ahead and try it anyways. You see what I mean? Sometimes I have to curl my hair twice because of how freakishly long it is. But I love it. I love having long hair. My daughter always calls me Rapunzel. She's like, Mom, I want to have long hair just like yours because you have Rapunzel hair. She's a blonde. She got her dad's hair. My son got my red hair. You can't tell very much anymore. Oh my gosh, look at how pretty that is. That curl is so pretty. The older I've gotten, the more my red hair has gone out, and it makes me sad. But it used to be like very, very, very red. I don't know, I just feel like this one also just like curls fast. I think I'm gonna have to stick with this one. I don't know if I like that one. And maybe it's just my hair type. It very well could be. I wish that I could just use the heatless curls and it stay in my hair for like 3 days. Like, love it. When I was little, I used to hate having red hair because I always got made fun of it, and I always used to deny that I even had red hair. I don't have red hair. I'm strawberry blonde. It's not red. People would always make fun of me and make me so sad that I hated it. And now I just learned to love it. And now that I'm older and my hair is starting to darken up because, you know, I'm losing my color, my red, I wish that I had my like fiery bright red hair back, and it makes me sad, but at least I get to see it on my son, and my son looks so handsome with it, and I'm so glad that he got my red hair because it is just so cute. So cute on him. Yeah, see this side just, and you can see that it is starting to fall a little bit already. I bet you I could pin these up and they would last longer. Maybe I should try that another time. Do half where it's pinned, half where it's not. This side is already almost like back to how it was. Oh, look at that curl. Look at that curl. See, isn't that pretty? I don't know. Here's how this side turned out. See, it's a lot prettier, like bouncier. The curls just hold better with this one. I don't know. I'm gonna turn this one up the highest it can go, and then we're gonna try it again and see if we can get it to, because this side is already flat. It's already flat. Okay. Try this again, shall we? I'm gonna take less sections too. Let's see if this stays now. See, that curl is beautiful too. That is a beautiful curl, but I don't think it's gonna last very long. hair gets any longer. I can barely reach the end of it as it is. Maybe I should do it in 2 sections like my other one when I kind of run out of room. So we'll do this. And then we'll kind of let it go. And then go up here. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I don't like this one. I just don't like it. I do not like it. We're gonna do a small section again. Try to make it nice and even. I mean, I feel like I'm leaving it on long enough because it gets pretty hot. Ouch, yeah, pretty hot. And clip it. That's a very pretty curl. Is it gonna stay? I doubt it. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna have to call that a no-go. Look. There's a little bit of curl left. Maybe I'll just curl the bottom half. Like this. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to stop. I'm worried about damaging my hair because I just keep going over the same places. Let's go ahead and take this out though. Oh, see, like that. Oh, that makes me cringe. But it looks pretty good. Look, yeah, see? That made them look pretty good. I do like that. So that looks good. This side didn't turn out very good. This side with my tried and true curler, that is the definite winner. So yeah, if you want to see more experiments on some different types of curling things, like I have this that I want to try. I have a few other things, and if you want some like tips and tricks on like what I do to keep my hair long and healthy and just, yeah, fun hair stuff, just like and subscribe.